In this video I'm going to show you who can mention you on Instagram. So first, what you want to do is you want to open up Instagram. From there, go to your profile, click on the top right on the hamburger menu, settings and privacy, scroll down until you see tags and mentions. And from here you can edit who can mention you. So it can be everyone, only people you follow, or don't allow mentions at all. So as you can see, it's written down there. Choose who can mention you to link your account in their stories, comments, live videos and captions. When people try to mention you, they'll see if you don't allow mentions. So you can play around it. If you don't want anybody to mention you, just click on don't allow mentions, only people you follow, or from everyone. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed, subscribe, leave a like and put it in the comments if this video helped you out. If you didn't, let me know what was the problem and I'll do my best to help you out.